Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are filming today in the beautiful Black Mountain. It is absolutely glorious day, and what a place to be to do today's video. It is slightly different video today. As you can see, I have two pairs of beautiful hiking shoes, and if you follow the channel guys, you know that we are doing a bushcraft show this May, so we are attending 27th and 20th of May, and I haven't thought of a footwear I was going to wear. And a little do you know, I had an email from a lovely company called FitVille who offered to sponsor our shoe wear for the bushcraft show. We've chosen ourselves two pairs, one for ladies and one for men's, and they are a hiking shoes, and they are absolutely lovely. If you do know me guys, you know I'm kind of a girly girl, and I generally prefer not to wear kind of trainers and things like that. However, because obviously where we are going to be camping, and we are going to be standing at the store for about 10 hours, I need something very comfortable and really rugged, and here we are. I suffer with the issue that I have quite a wide foot, and generally I find that normal trainers will start hurting my little toe in a space of a couple of hours. And the beauty of the FitVille shoes is that they have them in quite a wide fit, and they have different wide fits available to fit your foot. So to me it is absolutely perfect and paramount. They also have a beautiful arch support, because again guys, when you do stand or walk for a while, if you know, it's really important to have it supported, because you otherwise end up having your feet hurt anyway. They're also waterproof, and I absolutely adore the color. I'm one of those people, like, I like things funky. I like sort of to break it up a little with the color, and to me the color combination is absolutely perfect. So I'm well over the moon. They have them in different colors, obviously different sizes, many things available for that anyway. And Daniel has gone for a blue pair, but he's gone for a high top. He prefers to have more of like an arch support for his feet and the top support, and those shoes are absolutely perfect for that. They have internal arch support, and as you can see, because they're high top and they're quite rugged on the top, he finds that supports his supports his foot beautifully, especially for the long time they'll get to stand and walk around. So again, they do this in multiple of colors. They also have internal arch support, and they've got quite a nice padded sole. So all in all, it's absolutely perfect. If you check out guys, I put the link down the website below. They do a whole array of footwear. They do trainers, different kinds for different things, and they are offering my viewers 30% off, so I will put code down below. So guys, well anyway, I am so excited. We are now going to go for a little walk around the Black Mountain to make sure that the shoes fit us absolutely fine. As you know, the first time you guys wear any shoes, it's important to kind of wear them in. If you're unsure on the size, and if you choose to buy this, they actually offer you a size, so you can measure your foot, and it tells you the guidelines what size you need, and it's absolutely perfect, because without it it's quite difficult, you know. Sometimes you can think your size 5, say in UK, but they do, from different brands, they do come up slightly different sometimes. So it's very important, and it's absolutely brilliant that those guys offer you ability to measure your foot, and they tell you which size you need. So anyway, well, thank you very much FitVille for supplying those, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll maybe see you on the show. Bye bye.